Right, I've come out with Simon. Simon's Astro. Hello, Simon.
Hello, mate.
And
hello, everybody.
We've ventured down to a place called, well, it's the Maybush pub. We're going for dinner, but it's Waldringfield.
Yeah, Waldringfield.
And it's down on the River Deben.
Yeah, Devon or Deben.
The Deben or Deben. And we're hoping tonight it's going to be a beautiful, clear night. Well, the forecast says a beautiful, clear night. Yeah. We've got a nice body of water with the river. So we're hoping to get some nice astronomy done tonight with our DSLRs, aren't we, mate?
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, so yeah, hopefully you lot will come along and enjoy the adventure. So enjoy. There's a little bit of wind, so excuse if it sounds really loud, but it looks lovely here, and our plan is to get down on this boggy area. I've actually bought some new boots today, so they'll work well. Thank you, thank you to Mr. Paul Howarth of Nightscape Journals. He recommended me some what they're called, mud boots chore they're called, and they look brilliant, so I'll be trying them out. Oh, it looks lovely here. I love all this sort of rotten, sort of sea defence driftwood. Like, it looks like an old-fashioned type of sea defence. There's an old boat out there.
Oh yeah.
Wonder if we can get to that. Let's go have a look. Yeah, we'd have to be careful when the tide makes a move in case it comes in on us. Get the old wader down there, look. That's where I was thinking, Simon, looking along them, with them in the picture, and then you're up the north there for a star trail. Yeah, I know, but that's why I've got those wellies. And this is where I was thinking there, look. Look at that, like, creek going off up there. That'll make a really nice foreground for an astro picture.
Absolutely. That would look great.
Should have bought a kite, mate.
It's good for a kite today. It was wind. Yeah.
Oh, you put your camera in there to look through that, did you?
Look, yeah, that's what I've done. I sat it there.
Does that rotate? Oh no.
No, it's sat. I've done that.
Well, that's a clever idea, isn't it? Look, you put that and then it takes the picture.
Yeah.
Oh, no, it's all very flash, isn't it?
Isn't it? If you read that, look.
I think I'll do that. Yeah, I'll hold that for me a sec. So Keely didn't see that bit when we were here.
Waldringfield Marsh photo post, that's what this is. There you go.
Let's go for portrait.
Very nice.
Oh.
Look at that. Mine's come out really dark. What phone you've got? Really, don't drop it in the mud.
It's a 15, but yours is a 15 Pro, isn't it?
Yeah, hold on. Let me have I'm not sure that I like the set.
I thought it was quite a nice colour. I thought it was a nice picture. I'm sure you can bring it up in post though. Be careful, the wind will blow it over. That's what it just did to mine.
Yes.
Should we go for some dinner?
Yeah, let's do that. I'm getting hungry now.
So yeah, we've ventured down. We're getting up to the blue hour now. We're a good hour yet from nautical dusk. We just found this lovely mud flats. We've got to keep an eye on the tide though, because it is tidal, so we don't want to do a pull and come back to a camera at the bottom of the ocean. So we'll we'll have a look here. But it looks really nice with this sort of old sea defence pushing up there, like it's like an old wicker wall or something. So I'm going to try and get some of that. I'm not sure how boggy that is down there. It looks pretty bad. But we'll set a tripod up and get it as far north as possible so I can get a star trail. That's the plan. Wish me luck. Channel 4's here, filming us. And it's a lovely shot, Daryl, because you've got the moon right above you. Right, Simon, what we're going to do is find exactly north. That's the plan.
Yep.
So, oh, that's nice. Look, it's dead straight down where these are. That's perfect, isn't it?
Like
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, mate. You set up.
Yep. Thank you very much. I'll set this up, and then we'll take a test shot. All right.
Okay.
So I can just about make out Polaris. So we have got the Nomad star tracker. I've got the laser pointing straight at it. So that will be a good enough polar alignment for me. And I'm going to get my Canon 6D, which is astro modified on top, and look to take some track shots. When people say to me, what's the brightest object in the night sky, I say Simon Wallace. You can't miss him.
So that's towards up, and you've got the light.
Yeah, but if you aim up, you'll be alright.
You've got the moon over there.
Yeah, I'm going to take some track shots that way then. I'm coming over, Simon. Let me have a listen to what you're doing. Hang on. Here with Simon. What you got set up, Simon?
Here is my Canon 6D on the Nomad. I'm pushing the Nomad to the limit. I've got a f2.8 Canon 100mm lens on there. Just probably a little bit
weighty.
Yeah, just a bit weighty.
It is quite long, isn't it?
It is. But I've got it's attached by the foot rather than on the camera itself, so it's sort of balanced.
So the problem we got tonight is it's really windy, isn't it?
It is windy. That's my only concern.
Got Orion
I'm
up
actually
there.
on Orion. I've got Orion framed nicely, and with 100mm, I'm getting quite a bit more detail than I thought I might actually. So hopefully that'll come out.
Looks really nice. Yeah, looks good, mate. Right, okay. And I'm going to go down and set my time lapse up now.
We'll get that one going as
Let's
well.
get down in the ditch. It's going to be fun. It is. Oh, hello.
Yeah.
Right, we've got a couple of cameras down the bottom here.
You want to pull down, ready? Here we go.
Right, here's the cameras. We got dew straps on them and everything. We're well prepared tonight.
Yeah.
Right, let's get this off. You got to try and do your camera in the dark, mate.
Yep, lights off.
Okay.
There you go. Right.
Got a few little cameras clicking away.
Yeah.
And
We've got to keep an eye on the tide.
got to keep an eye on the tide.
Make sure the
and
camera's on.
it's windy. I don't know why I say windy tonight, but it's windy.
Quite chilly, yeah.
But we're both remoted into our observatories, which is nice. So we're getting images at home and we're getting images here. So it's all good. Say goodbye, son.
Bye.